Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and potentially lucrative aspect of the cryptocurrency world: staking. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, understanding staking can open up new avenues for earning passive income. In this video, we'll break down what staking is, how it works, and why it might be the perfect strategy for you. So, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started on unlocking the potential of crypto staking. Stay tuned for an in-depth overview coming up in the next slide. Welcome to the second slide of our video, where we'll delve into the intriguing world of staking in the cryptocurrency realm. Staking is a vital process that underpins many blockchain networks, offering participants the chance to earn rewards by locking up their chosen cryptocurrency. To get started, you select a cryptocurrency that supports staking, then commit a portion of your holdings to the network. In return, you receive staking rewards, which are typically calculated based on factors like the amount staked, the duration, and the overall network performance. However, it's important to be aware of the associated risks, such as lock-up periods that restrict access to your funds, liquidity issues, potential security vulnerabilities, and the reliability of the staking platform. Additionally, the rewards can be diluted if the network becomes too saturated. To mitigate these risks, best practices include diversifying your staking portfolio and regularly monitoring your investments. As we conclude, remember that thorough research is essential before diving into staking to ensure informed and strategic decisions. Staking involves locking up cryptocurrency to uphold a blockchain network. Its purpose is to boost network security, facilitate transactions, and assist in network governance. The advantages of staking are significant. You can generate passive income through staking rewards, enhance blockchain stability and security, and there's potential for greater returns compared to conventional savings. Popular cryptocurrencies for staking include Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DOT, and others. This emerging trend is gaining traction in the crypto community as a viable means to earn profits while contributing to the health and efficiency of the blockchain. Staking cryptocurrency can be a great way to earn passive income while supporting your chosen blockchain network. First, you need to choose a cryptocurrency that supports staking, such as Ethereum or Cardano. Next, set up a wallet. Either create a new one or use an existing wallet that is compatible with staking. Once your wallet is ready, you have a decision to make. You can either delegate your stake to a validator or participate by running your own node. After you've made your choice, lock up your coins for a specified period, committing them to the staking process. In return, you'll earn rewards as compensation for helping to secure the network. Finally, after the lockup period ends, you can unstake your coins and withdraw both your initial stake and the rewards you've earned. Staking can be a rewarding way to contribute to the blockchain ecosystem while growing your crypto holdings. In this slide, we'll dive into the intriguing world of staking rewards in cryptocurrency. Staking rewards are earned by holding and supporting a blockchain network. Typically, these rewards are paid in the same cryptocurrency that you stake. The calculation of these rewards primarily hinges on the amount of crypto you have staked, the length of time you stake it for, and the specific rules and inflation rates of the network. Various factors can influence these rewards, including the total amount of crypto staked by all participants, the performance and uptime of validators, and the network's governance and consensus mechanisms. When it comes to the distribution of rewards, they can be paid out periodically, daily, weekly, or monthly. Some platforms even offer automatic reinvestment options, though it's worth noting that fees may apply from staking platforms or validators. When staking cryptocurrency, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks involved. First, we have lock-up periods. During these periods, your funds are inaccessible for a set amount of time, which means you could miss out on opportunities if market conditions suddenly change. Next is liquidity. Staked assets can be difficult to convert to cash, and you might face delays in the withdrawal process. Security is another major concern. There's always a risk of hacking and cyber attacks, which highlights the importance of choosing secure platforms. Platform reliability is also crucial. Your rewards depend on the platform's stability, and technical issues can impact your earnings. Lastly, there's the risk of dilution. The issuance of new coins can reduce the value of your existing holdings, and inflation can affect your staking rewards. Being aware of these risks can help you make more informed decisions when staking your cryptocurrency. In the world of cryptocurrency staking, diversification and monitoring are key strategies for success. By spreading your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies, you can reduce risk and avoid putting all your funds into a single asset. This approach allows you to benefit from growth in various markets and balance high-risk and low-risk assets in your portfolio. Equally important is monitoring your investments. Regularly check your staking rewards to ensure you're on track with your goals. Stay updated with market trends and be ready to adjust your staking strategies as needed. Additionally, stay informed about any network changes and updates that might affect your investments. By combining diversification with diligent monitoring, you can optimize your staking efforts and potentially maximize your returns. Staking cryptocurrency can be a great way to earn rewards, but it's important to approach it with a strategy. First, always choose a reputable platform to ensure your assets are secure. Understanding the risks involved is crucial, as every investment carries potential downsides. Be sure to research the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in staking. Each has its unique attributes and considerations. Additionally, check for any lockup periods and liquidity constraints that may affect your access to your funds. Diversifying your investments can help minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Stay informed about market conditions to make well-timed decisions. Above all, thorough research is essential before you start staking. Taking these steps can help you navigate the staking process more effectively and safely. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on staking in the world of cryptocurrency. We covered a lot of ground, from the basics of what staking is and why it's important, to the nitty-gritty details of how it works and how to choose the right cryptocurrency for staking. We also delved into how stake rewards are calculated and distributed, the various risks involved such as lockup periods, liquidity, security, and platform reliability, and the best practices to follow like diversification and continuous monitoring. Remember, the world of crypto is ever evolving and complex, so thorough research is crucial before diving into staking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy staking and stay safe in your crypto journey.